Okay.
All right. Well, I was able to find Zen Windows through my in-laws. They live down the street and had some windows done late last year. And so when we were interested in doing this project, I was able to find Zen Windows online very easily. I asked for a quote online and it was very fast. I think within a few hours I had a quote back. And I looked over the information and had a couple of questions, and he got back, Dennis got back to me very quickly. And then when I was comfortable, my husband and I thought about it overnight and looked at the information. When we were comfortable, we were able to give him a call, let him know to proceed, and he had somebody available to take measurements the next day. And then he came, took the measurements. There was a couple follow-up questions, and then we were able to get the windows on order. And then I would say within 2.5, 3 weeks, the windows were here, and we just happened to be able to fit into a pretty convenient time. And so really from start to finish, I would say it was less than a month we were able to get our new windows in. So that was really great. And then the folks that came to install them today have been professional and polite. They cleaned up after themselves. It might be a little cleaner than before they got here. So I've had no complaints. My experience has been terrific.
Good, good. Thanks very much.